Good morning and welcome to Maryland Tips. I have this 15 odds for you today, over 1.5 goals. In general, let's get started. The first game we have is a game between FC Zurich taking on Shelbourne in the Europa League, and then my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between F91 Dudelange taking on Hakan Attenborough, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between Mo taking on Sekibod, over 1.5 goals. Sheffield Tiraspol taking on IF Esborg, over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between CS Covino 1921 taking on HNK Rijeka. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between FC Nuremberg taking on HPVGG, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between Go Ahead Eagle taking on SK Brand, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and also try and as much as possible to follow or subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel, so you won't miss any of our free predictions. The next one we have is a game between Temperance Ives taking on Australian, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. I want to use this opportunity to say congratulations to everyone that won yesterday. And then if you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Moving on, we have a game between Norway taking on Turkey, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Calcio Padova taking on ASD Torres, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Spain taking on Japan, over 1.5 goals. Canada taking on New Zealand, over 1.5 goals. Kupion Polosora taking on Tromso, over 1.5 goals. Hamburg taking on Aris Limassol, over 1.5 goals. That gives us 15 odds, 14 matches. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. Bet responsibly. I'll see you guys after the game.